You want one? $1.47. Right on. I'm just so happy to fill up my truck. Hey, for that person who just waved at me in the black dually, hey, by the way, if you watch my videos, I think you watch my videos because you waved at me and then you kind of made like the camera sign. So, hey, sorry I didn't get to roll down my window and say hi fast enough. So right now, we're headed to Cameron Lake. And I think about 20 minutes from Cameron Lake, and my friend told me there's a turnoff right before Cameron Lake, so you can go on the back side of it, and I'll find a nice little spot kind of away from everybody and do some fishing. That, my friends, is a dead end. All right, well, let's go find another spot then. Look, there's snow. So much snow. I'm going to a different spot. It's called Loon Lake, and I think it's down this road. How are you?
How you doing?
Living the dream or what?
Oh yeah,
oh, yeah,
right.
Right on. When are you guys finished hauling out of here? Just today.
There's probably one coming back, but I don't know what if and when he's coming back.
Oh, is that right? Because it's pretty narrow. I was trying to find Loon Lake. Loon Lake's down there?
Loon Lake is just right here.
What a friendly logging truck driver. So he says that Loon Lake is just up here, but let me show you the road to get there. I don't know if I'll be able to get there. You guys can see that? I think I'll be able to make it. Oh, here's the lake right here. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, well, it doesn't even matter because the lake is right there. All right, I'm gonna get through here. I'll set the camera right here so you can see, so you can guide me. So you can guide me. If I'm about to hit a tree, say stop and I'll stop, all right? How am I doing, guys? This looks like a great spot right here. My camper's over there. It's pretty deep in this area. I wish I had a boat. I wish I had a boat. When I get back to work, that's gonna be one of the first purchases. Just a cheap tin boat. Doesn't even have to have a, maybe even a kayak. It doesn't even have to have a motor on it, just an electric motor, some paddles, a canoe, anything to get out there a little further. Oh, I'm seeing fish jump already. Guys, I'm excited. Guys, I'm excited. Okay, let's get fishing rod, tackle, all of that stuff, lawn chair, and come over here. Good to go. I have to get my camera. I just thought I'd get that shot of walking away, but I think I might just cut this in so you know that I was faking it. I've got a really good feeling about this. They're jumping all over the place. Really good feeling. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. So I have some professional fishermen with me. This is Austin. This is Jason. Getting some firewood, so we got a fire going right now, which is impressive. Look at that. Look at that. And we're gonna catch a fish, right, guys? Yeah. It's gonna happen. They're gonna teach me how, which I'm excited about because I was just sitting here not knowing what I'm doing. Everybody, I have a fish on my line right now. Yes! Okay. Look at that!
Where's dinner?
Look at that!
I'm gonna go get a pair of pliers and look at it.
Okay. All right. Look at that. First fish in, I think it's been like 5 years. I caught a fish off of a sailboat. I took a sailboat course and I caught a salmon. But this is the first fish in like 5 years. Perfect. Thanks for filming, by the way. These guys are awesome. These guys did this for me. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Great content. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
All right.
You always gotta have the cameraman in the video.
Yeah. So we're just fishing away. You started a fire, and then look at what pulled up. And the kid in me just has to film it. That was so cool. Did you see the tires turn? Oh man, I love that. He just came down. He's like, hey, you guys catching anything? What a cool job. I love that job, just cruising down back roads, grading roads. He said it's the most fun when it snows. He likes grading snow. Cool. All right, back to fishing. Enjoy the day, guys.
See ya, Al.
All right, so we're gonna check a different spot. How cool is this? So we're walking on train tracks. You got a quad?
Not these tracks though. Yeah, I've got lots. I've got like 5 quads. And I've got like 10 bikes.
Can I just have one? Can I have a? Hey, can you give me a couple quads?
Yeah.
I've already drifted in the snow.
You have a golf cart?
Yeah,
Oh,
and we drifted in the snow.
We drifted in the snow, and I ran into my deck, and my dad didn't care. He's like, "Oh, slippery."
Why didn't I have this childhood when I was growing up? So this is our new spot right here, and before we were just over there. So let's see what we catch here.
It's a small one, Austin.
Small guy.
That's a nice one. Let him go, he's a little bit small.
Woo.
He's small, he's really small. He's a little bit bigger.
Number 2, everybody. Number 2.
Number 2. I'll walk in here.
They're all landing.
He's freaking out.
They're all landing.
Oh, he's a small one. He's a small one. I'll grab him.
No, Austin. You want to release him or?
All right. Oh, now my foot is soaked.
Let it get a slight grip. Then you just wait for him to kick off.
Grab him by the tail and kick off a little bit.
There we go.
That was a nice release.
Cool.
I just lost.
High 5.
Right on, buddy.
Number 2.
Number 2. Yes. Hey, thanks, guys. See ya.
Later, good day.
Thanks for helping me catch a fish. They were awesome. They were awesome. All right, let's go see if I can catch a couple more on my own. But I just want to catch one more. I want to catch one more on my own today, and then go upload the video. So I'm just using power. What am I using? Power bait. This little yellow stuff right here. Tiny little hook, and then a weight. So like the weight sits on the bottom, and then the hook goes up about 2 feet, 3 feet, and that's worked for the other 2. So one more, and then get into my nice warm RV. It's cold out right now. It's cold. Hi. I have had so much fun today. I caught 2 fish. There's a beaver over there slapping his tail around, freaking out. Actually, he's not freaking out. I don't know what he's doing. I'm gonna actually Google it when I get back to town. There's 2 eagles in the trees over there. One of them, I didn't get it on camera, one of them just swooped down and grabbed a fish out of the water. Fish are jumping all over. I've got my line in the water right now. Fish just jumped right there. You see that? This is amazing. This is amazing. I know I wanted to catch another fish. I don't know if I'm going to. It's getting pretty dark. I'm gonna stay out here until it gets dark, and then, I mean, 2 is enough. 2 is enough. I lied to you guys. I got one. See? Oh no. Oh no. It just, oh. The reason that just happened was because I picked up my camera. At least I got to show you that I got one more. So I got 3, I got one by myself. I feel good. I hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog. Keep living the dream. If you feel like subscribing, you're more than welcome to do so. Thank you so much to my Patreon members. Thank you to everybody. Take care of yourselves. Have a wonderful night, and bye-bye.